LA Gauge, your manufacturing beryllium specialist since 1954. Delivering ultra-precision components with a laser focus to quality, safety, and commitments. Buyers look to LA Gauge when seeking ultra-precision beryllium, Al Bemet Manufacturing. Frustrated critical dimensions aren't to blueprint. Facing excessive liability if quality is poor. Embarrassed receiving late orders with no notice. Had it with poorly trained personnel. No sense of urgency? We serve Lockheed, Raytheon, Draper, Boeing. Our proven process delivers complex, critical hardware on time to major defense. F-35, Sniper, Trident missile, Minuteman, SM-3. Make LA Gauge your #1 beryllium manufacturer of choice. A customer-centric team, providing reliability, state-of-the-art technology, and integrated industry tenure. Small business recipient of Lockheed Martin Missile and Fire Controls Award.